И добре дошли в новото видео, където ще играем The Horror Tale. Това прилича на заек, но е наистина доста интересна игра, така че ставите един лайк, абонирайте се към манката и напишете долу коментари дали искате второ видео на тази игра. И нека да продължаваме. New Game. Easy, slow enemy, consume, pet lives. Мога да ги мина на всички трудности. Тези деца се търсят Missing Please Help Us Find Them. И това също дете се търси Ема и Били. Окей, ще го пусна на Easy. Да видим какво ще представлява тази игра. Август 1999 USA. Добре. Ставаме. Се оглеждаме нещо. И преди да продължим, искам да разгледам какво има. Тук имаме някакво бюро с лампа, някакви ти. Ето ви първото дете. Please help us find them. Да, в началото го имаше H11, Gender Man, така. Information. Окей. Тук има някакъв шкаф, който мога да го отварям. Тук съм шал, вау. Мога да клякам. Okay. No. Tom, please collect the eggs and take them to Harry. His mom and I will search team. Billy and Emma haven't been told yet because he has been treated for pyramids. Spend the night in your headquarters. Okay. Okay, тук някъде ще остава преводач.
Hello? Where are you? Are we meeting at our tree house as usual?
Yeah, my mom just asked me to give you a dozen eggs before she dumped me.
What? What do you mean?
Just kidding. Never mind. I'll be there soon.
Roger that. I'll meet you back at headquarters. Over.
Over.
Добре, нека да разгледаме ние здесь.
I didn't get all the eggs. Now I have to take them to Harry. Yeah, here's another one.
Разгледам, че ми интересно какво представлява. Някаква лодка има. Това е за водата сигурно. Колама. Ето кошки, самите кокошки. От тяхна вече. Има нещо. И тук също ще има нещо за превърване, така ще оставя. Добре, сега. Има нещо. Добре, не можем. Където бяхме тази карта, трябва да ни заведе до Хари. Има крал. Добре, и нея.
I have to put the eggs in the basket of the bike to take them with me.
Окей, така, значи Lair, The Farm, Cow Mill, Tree House, cool. Окей, можем да отидем, ние сме на фермата сега, значи можем да отидем до Tree House. Добре.
I have to escape.
О, ето и за второто липсващо дете, ема това на тест. Там има нещо. Там нещо ми трябва. Добре.
Locked.
Добре, вратата е затворена. Weak spot.
Tom, I thought we were already friends.
Okay. Wow, that was a mess. Ah, Paweł. Wow. Dobra, jeszcze tylko.
I'll find you anyway.
Dobra, idźmy na górę.
I need something to get those nails out.
Jakim kranem poprawić? Ale nie mogę.
Tom, I thought we were already friends.
Maybe it's made for the lake. Damn. It's locked.
I'll find you anyway.
I'm not going to walk.
Tommy, you get hurt.
Nie pustało. Każemy sobie Tommy. Nie wli. Тихо.
Come out! Don't be afraid.
Окей.
Weird. Why does the light come from the well? Maybe he keeps kids in there.
Окей. Nie jestem
I
łomokiem.
need you. I'll find you.
Kamu to nie widać, kaza, ale fajnie. Co to na mnie? Dobra. O, góry masz tu. Kletka. Można tu korzystać. Chodź, ciuko. Agora, né? Cada vez dá uma boca.
It's locked. It's locked.
Que ficou. Foto. Точно.
Come out! Your classmates are waiting for you!
Ah, это был камера. Там много закачал.
Where the hell have you been? I've been waiting for you for an hour.
I'll tell you
Classmates are
something.
waiting
I'll
for
meet you back at the treehouse. Over. I'm even afraid to think why he has so many plastic bags.
Oh, actually instruments the items. Item това, което го бяхме. Load control, FVG, птица, крол, па и полко. Намерил съм и така. трябва да си оправим коле. Това е за коле.
I need you. I'll find you.
It's locked.
Quando si fa anche vuoto.
I'll find you anyway.
I'm already here.
Era come con te causa. Окей. Да значи, че има втора и трета част на тази игра. Така че наистина. Ето тук има този. Ето го.
Tom, finally!
Harry, you won't believe it! I saw him!
Who?
Kidnapper! He caught me on the road in the woods and locked me up. It was a miracle that I escaped from him.
Oh my gosh! Are you serious? No way! Is that really a witch?
Harry, it's not a witch. That's a stupid rumor. Shh. It's him. Looks like he tries to find me everywhere.
What do we do?
Harry, take it easy. Our parents will be back soon, so we just have to wait for them.
Just wait? It will be evening soon and he'll get to us tonight for sure.
He won't if we're ready for it. We could fortify the headquarters so he doesn't catch us. What do you think?
Oh, give me a second. I have a couple of ideas. Let me write a list of items I'll need. Here, get me these items. I'll upgrade the tree house and we can get through the night here safely.
And you're just going to sit here and wait?
Tom, you know me. If I were near him, I'd die of fright. Get me these items and I'll make things that will surprise you.
Okay, I'll try.
Just be careful. Don't get caught.
If I don't come back, I bequeath my bike to you.
Tom, stop it. I'm scared enough as it is.
Just kidding, just kidding. All right, I'm going.
Окей, например. Окей, мисля до тук да бъде този епизод. Ако ви хареса, оставете един лайк, камънина с камънката и напишете долу коментарите дали искате втори епизод на тази игра. Сега от мен, чао!